Hey, thanks for tuning in to Freedom's Excel series. We're going to start right in on a function that's brand new, super function called xlookup, and this will replace index and match. It also replaces vlookup and hlookup as well. So I'm going to jump right in. It's a very simple look at the function. We're going to try to get more in depth in future videos, but this is a very simple look at it, and something that I think will help a lot of you out immensely. So let's get to our spreadsheet. Here is popping up. Okay, so here's this list of data that we have. We want to find out, if we want to find out, let's say for instance we want to find out which client did the Carlin investigation. So we have our list of clients here, we have a list of projects here, and then other data that goes along with this data here. So in the case of the Carlin investigation, you can do this a number of ways. We're going to put this right here, and then we're going to say, okay, this is the project, and this is the client. So then in this cell here, this is going to return what we want. So we're going to say equals xlookup. And the lookup value is going to be in this cell right here. And the lookup array is going to be right in here, in this right here. This is where this is the column in which it lives, and the return array has the data that we want to get down into this cell right here. So the return array is right here. And for simplistic sake, we're not going to look into the other issues of this, which we'll do in a later video, but and you can close it up. Boom, done. So it looked in here for this Carlin investigation, found it, and then went to the cell. Now in this case, what you want to know is it's the first instance. So if we had been looking for an invoice number for Irwin Fletcher, since Irwin Fletcher comes up twice in this list, it would have only returned this. Now if you wanted to do something where you return every instance of it, then we'll see another video for the filter function. So, but for now, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and keep coming back for more. If you liked it, click thumbs up, and to subscribe, please click subscribe. Thanks. We will see you soon.